In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail or Google account password. Keeping your password up to date and secure is crucial for protecting your personal information. So, let's dive right in and ensure you know exactly how to do this with ease, whether you're updating your password on Gmail, Google Drive, or across your entire Google account. First, you need to open your browser and navigate to the Google account homepage. You can simply type Google account in the search bar and click on the first result, or go directly to accounts.google.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Google account page, you'll need to log in using your current Google credentials if you haven't done so already. It's important to make sure you're logging into the account you wish to update. After logging in, you'll be welcomed to your Google account home screen. Here, you'll see various options on the left-hand column. Look for the Security tab and click on it. This page is where you can manage different aspects of your account's safety and security. It's good to familiarize yourself with this section because Google provides numerous features to protect your data, and checking them regularly is a good habit to cultivate. On the Security page, scroll down until you find a section labeled Signing In to Google. This is where you'll see an option for password. It's conveniently located here because it's one of the most critical elements of your account's security. Click on the password link and Google will prompt you to verify your identity. You'll need to enter your current password again. This step is for security purposes, ensuring that you, and only you, are making changes to the account. Now comes the part where you can change your password. You'll be taken to a page where you need to enter your new password twice. Once in the New Password field, and once more in the Confirm New Password field. The key here is to create a strong password that you'll remember. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance the security of your password. Google usually offers guidelines alongside the input fields, so take note of these as well. Avoid using easily guessed information like birthdays or common words. Once you've entered your new password, click Change Password. If both password fields match, your password will change, and you should see a confirmation notification. This means your account is now secured with your new password. Going forward, you'll need to use this new password to access your Google account services, including Gmail and Google Drive. Overall, changing your Google account password is a simple way to keep your personal data secure. Remember to update your password periodically and avoid using the same password across multiple accounts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in securing your Google account.